Creators are always looking for gear that travels well, but there hasn't been a gimbal that's both pro-level and ultra-portable until now. Introducing DJI RS3 Mini, a travel-sized stabilizer designed for those who move light. Weighing less than 2 pounds, RS3 Mini is just half the size and weight of RS3 Pro, while delivering effortless, ultra-flexible, single-handed use. The new dual-layered quick-release plate features a curved placement guide, which fixes your camera securely in place so you can shoot confidently. Integrated Bluetooth shutter means direct recording control for faster shooting when the moment demands it. And with the ergonomic front dial, it also enables optical or digital zoom without having to use a control cable. RS3 Mini has a best-in-category payload capacity, letting it easily handle the setups creators love to use. Powered with the latest RS stabilization algorithm, it can help you get footage that's impossible when shooting just handheld. It can go vertical without having to add any components, giving you social media-ready content with the same control experience as you get in horizontal mode. Your favorite features, like a 1.4-inch touchscreen and NATO port, are also standard on RS3 Mini. Capture all day long with up to 10 hours of operation time on a full charge. Take it anywhere, tackle any shot, adapt to any moment. Move light with RS3 Mini.